Hello everyone. In Japan, August is the time of Obon, when families welcome their ancestors back home. Many companies close and people take time off. This year, instead of staying home, the three of us, my husband, my daughter, and I took a family trip to my hometown in Hokkaido. The boarding area was very crowded. To keep my daughter calm on the plane, I made sure to give her milk, change her diaper, and prepare some toys before boarding. And I was surprised when we got on the plane. Normally, the Niigata to New Chitose route had small planes with 2 seats on each side. But this time, it was a larger one with 3 seats on each side. Probably because of Obon. Landing at New Chitose Airport, it was huge and so packed compared to Niigata. Our family came to pick us up and even filmed our arrival. It felt like we were celebrities. We went on a food tour of Sapporo, starting with soup curry. It was so good we ate in complete silence until we finished. While we went out, my daughter went on a walk with my parents, and knowing she'd so loved makes me really happy. After soup curry, we strolled around the city and then had my favorite, Hamburg steak. Even the vegetables were amazing. My husband even ordered wine, which he usually never drinks. Editing this now, I'm craving it again. The next day, my dad wanted to show us his vegetable garden, so we went outside with my daughter. I was surprised at how serious he was about gardening. There were cucumbers, peppers, tomatoes, and shishito peppers. We harvested a bunch and grilled them that night. They were delicious. Seeing all those tomatoes made me think about baby food. Honestly, my brain is always filled with ideas for winning meals these days. While we were harvesting, my daughter was happy being held by my mom. We also introduced her to the piano I used to play as a child. She seemed curious about the self-playing keys and even pressed some herself. I didn't enjoy lessons when I was little, but if she ever wants to play piano or any other instrument, I'd love to let her try. Later, my parents babysat again, so my husband and I could try a famous ramen shop in Sapporo. We arrived 15 minutes after opening, and there was already a line. I never expected so many people waiting for ramen in the morning. The ginger flavor was so good. Even though we waited over an hour, eating it only took a few minutes. Was it? After that, we tried going to a nearby crepe shop, but unfortunately it was closed. That evening, we visited our family graves. Our cemetery had the unique concept to break away from the gloomy image of graves. So it's filled with replicas of famous monuments from around the world, and tourists come to visit. There was even a replica of Stonehenge, huge. And then the Moai statues. I was curious how my daughter would react, but she didn't seem interested at all. Maybe when she's older. We took a photo by a deer statue, wandered through a Japanese garden, and tried to visit the Buddha, but it was closed. Apparently, when it's open, you can walk near the water up to the Buddha. I really wanted to see that. That night, we had the barbecue with the vegetables we'd picked that morning. So tasty! On the last day, we went to Hitsujigaoka Observation Hill, which was my husband's choice. According to the AI summary I found, it's a famous spot dedicated to Dr. William S. Clark, an American educator who introduced agricultural education to Hokkaido and served as the first vice principal of Sapporo Agricultural College, now Hokkaido University. He's remembered for the phrase, "Boys be ambitious," which still symbolizes Hokkaido's pioneering spirit. And there it is, the statue of Dr. Clark. And that wrapped up our fun family trip. Our daughter won't remember it, but I hope we can all go again someday.
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!